Tools 206-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Custom Series toolbox. Custom Series is SP Tools' mid-size storage system. The box is 668mm wide and 316mm in depth. It features a combination of 7 drawers in 160mm and 570mm width. The tool chest lid is equipped with heavy-duty cast struts and a full-length piano hinge joint. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides, and the slides are rated to carry 40 kg per pair. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip chrome plated handles for moving. The tool chest features high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The roller cabinet is 680mm wide and 460mm in depth, and it features 5 drawers with varying depths. The roller cabinet features a steel worktop with a corrugated rubber cover. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides, and the slides are rated to carry 40 kg per pair, and on larger drawers with dual slides this increases to 80 kg. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip handles which can be fitted on either end to suit any workspace. The roller cabinet features 4 heavy duty castors, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel castors have an easy one-touch break, hold and release. The roller cabinet features high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The tools: SP Tools 87-piece metric and SAE socket set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive sockets 4 to 13 and 3/16 to 1/2, 3 8 drive sockets 8 to 19 and 5/16 to 3/4, half-inch drive sockets 10 to 32 and 3/8 to 1 1/8, 3 8 drive spark plug sockets 5/8 and 13/16, quarter 3/8 and half-inch drive 45 tooth ratchets, quarter 3/8 and half-inch drive breaker bars, quarter 3/8 and half-inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. SP Tools 18-piece metric spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes quad drive combination spanners 8 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. The quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 6-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 3 Phillips head screwdrivers 75 to 150mm in length, 3 standard blade screwdrivers from 75 to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers features SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools chrome alloy plier and cutter set with induction hardened cutting tips, 150mm diagonal cutters with dual texture grips, and 200mm combination plier with dual texture grips. SP Tools chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex key sets, a 9-piece metric set 1.5 to 10mm, and 9-piece SAE set 1/16 to 3/8. An adjustable 250mm wrench made from chrome alloy steel, a 16-ounce ball peen hammer with genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source, a 71-piece power bit set made from quality S2 alloy steel, and the set includes hex, Phillips and posi drive bits, square standard slot and spanner bits, Torx, Torx Tamper and Torx Plus bits, metric spline bits, and a range of adapters to suit almost any application.